Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting features of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, a drone that's generating quite a buzz in the tech community. Let's explore what makes this drone stand out. First, let's talk about the redesigned camera system. The Mavic 4 Pro boasts a new Hasselblad branded camera with a bulbous housing. This redesign promises to improve image quality and stabilization, making it a standout feature for photographers and videographers alike. Next, we have the LiDAR sensor array. This advanced technology enhances the drone's obstacle avoidance capabilities, allowing for safer and more precise flights. The addition of a LiDAR sensor sets the Mavic 4 Pro apart from its predecessors and competitors. One of the most impressive features of the Mavic 4 Pro is its extended flight time. With a flight time of approximately 47 minutes, this drone matches or even slightly exceeds the performance of the Mavic 3. This means more time in the air to capture those perfect shots. Storage capacity has also seen a significant upgrade. The Mavic 4 Pro comes with a massive 2 terabytes of internal storage, and it supports additional microSD cards up to 2 terabytes. This ensures you'll never run out of space for your high-resolution photos and videos. The drone's dimensions have been enhanced as well. The Mavic 4 Pro appears larger than its predecessor, indicating more powerful components and capabilities. This increase in size translates to better performance and durability. Finally, let's talk about the testing phase. The test unit was spotted with testing stickers and was being evaluated by DJI test pilots. This rigorous testing process ensures that the drone meets the highest standards of quality and performance. In conclusion, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is packed with impressive features and improvements. From the redesigned camera system to the extended flight time and increased storage, this drone is set to elevate your aerial photography and videography experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.